Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I put out videos about once a week. I have quite a few on shoes, so if you're interested in sneakers and things like that, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on future videos. Because I did hit on a pair of the Dunks the other day, and I also have another unboxing that is private on my channel that I have to make public. So there's a few more coming, I promise, guys. Sorry, one more plug, but if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram because I do post, like content on there every now and then. Not as much as I should, but yeah, if you want to talk shoes or anything, you can definitely reach me there. So I'm trying to get this video up as fast as I can because I have an unboxing and I'm actually really excited about these. So these are the silver toe Jordan 1s. These are women's ones, so we see the Jordan 1 women's box. So I actually got these from Snipes. I entered all the raffles on all the foot sites or on their apps, and I hit this one, so I just had to go pick it up before 3 o'clock. It was pretty easy. I entered for quite a few sizes, and the one I hit for was not my size. So this is a women's 7.5, which is definitely too small. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show them on feet because honestly, when I first saw the shoe, I wasn't interested in keeping it for personal. I wasn't really into it, if we're being honest. But now that I have it in hand, I'm like, anyone want to trade for my size? So this is the shoe. I actually really like it. The only thing that I wish was different was I wish this toe box was white, because I think that's what's throwing me off. I feel like if this toe box was white, I'd be about this shoe, because I told you guys I wasn't interested till I saw it in hand, because I'm not really a metallic person, but I don't even know, sorry, I'm still learning how to use my ring light, but if you can see the quality of the leather on the shoe, it's so good. So I don't know if you can see a little bit, but you can just see how good the leather is. Okay, also, sorry, I forgot to mention this. But it also comes with this little Nike Air tag, and it's a metallic silver as well. I think this is actually a really good looking shoe because the colors are so neutral and it'll go with anything. So I think it'll do well, but if we're looking at it, we have a black sole, which I like, and then a white midsole, and then we have our swoosh is black along with this trim here and up the laces and here. The tongue, obviously. The Nike Air on the inside is white. And then, of course, we have the metallic silver on the toe box and then up here. And then our Air Jordan logo in black. And then you can also see it comes with black laces and also these metallic silver laces, which are kind of cool, but I definitely like the black. And then the Nike Air right here is white. So I think these are a really good looking shoe, because if you look at Jordans, at least ones that are black and white, so your OG twists or panda, whatever you want to call them, that's an expensive shoe. And why? It's expensive because it's easy to wear. People want that. I know me personally, when I'm buying stuff, I look for things that, are going to go with everything. You get the most value for because you're able to wear the most. And I think that that's why the demand for those shoes goes up. So for example, these are mids, okay? These are mine, obviously. You can tell I wear them. And these are the light smoke gray. And I got them because I was like, oh, I like that colorway because it's so neutral. It'll go with anything. And I got these. I paid resale for them. I paid $155 or something. And this is a $400 mid now. And I think it's exactly for that reason. Might have something to do with the Dior's too, being kind of this gray color. But in a way, I do see similarities in these, in that, it's basically a black and white shoe, gray or metallic silver. I think the value on these will definitely go up. This is a women's shoe, so I think that staying towards the larger sizes, the ones that men are going to be looking for, there might be more profit in those. I do think that once people get these in hand and they realize how great the quality is and realize just how versatile and stuff and easy to wear the colorway is, I think the shoe's gonna go up in value a lot, like just in a few months. Right now it's already around 300 and they literally dropped today. So I think that it'll easily hit 400. And I think this might be a $500 shoe eventually. I don't know if that's like a bold claim. What do you think? Let me know. But I am looking for these in a women's 9. So if you have them, please find me on Instagram because I will trade. I will buy them from you. Just let me know. Because like I said, wasn't interested, but have these in hand and I'm like, okay, I want those now. So if you wanted these for personal, I would definitely buy now if you can get them around 300 because I think that we're only going to see the price go up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye guys.